Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss how to improve the data analysis for a model in Power BI. And the best way to improve the data analysis is to increase the granularity or bring as much detailed data as possible. So let's start and I'll show you what I mean. I've got a simple model here and I'll explain it with the help of a table. So let me just drag a table. I'll put it in focus mode here. And let's say I've got sales amount. That's the only column I have. And you can see that it is giving me the sales amount here. Now let's say I want to do more analysis. Okay, which country, how's the sales by various countries? So I can bring that in. Let me just go and select country from outside the hierarchy. And let me just flip this around. So then as I add one more column, it shows me that by country, the sales is how it's happened. So it gives me the division by country. Let's say I want to further divide it by state. So I want to see which states have been there, and let's just move the state over sales, and shows me in Australia how the sales have happened by different states. And let's say I want to bring the city in as well, moving city up again, and you can see that it is showing us how the sales have happened in different cities and which are the best performing cities in which are the best performing cities in Australia, or which are the best performing cities in other parts of the world. Let's go here and let's say I want to see which products are selling or which color is selling the most. So I can select bring color in, and I can move that over sales amount, and it shows me which colors are selling more. So for example, blue is probably not selling as much as black, but maybe we want to find what category or subcategory we are talking about. So I could bring that up. And so all of a sudden we are getting which categories are selling. We can slice and dice by that. We can bring the subcategory in, and we can also bring the product in. So which products are selling the best. So just with a simple example, you can see as I keep bringing more and more columns in, I can do better analysis or better data analysis. But the quality of the data analysis depends, or it hinges on the underlying columns being available in my data model. So one of the best ways to improve the data analysis in Power BI or in any other tool is to make sure that you get the data at the lowest level of detail. So in this video, we learned how to improve data analysis in Power BI by bringing in all the columns that we need. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.